So here's a tip for you, one I have learned hard way. Using a random orbital sander. Okay? If you use a standard sanding disc, that edge right there has grit on it. Okay? It's a cutting edge. If you happen to be running your sander along, let's say that you're sanding here, and you're running it along and you touch this side over here, you cut into it. Okay? They make a flexible sand net disc. There's a few different companies that make these now. These have cloth at the edge, and they fray whenever they run into something. And they're also flexible. They stick out past your pad about an eighth of an inch or something like that, past the pad on the sander, and they will just bend up and they won't dig in. They won't cut into that edge. They'll just bend up. Okay? So I have a situation here where I have angles along each side. Now this happens to be wide enough that my sander will actually fit in it, okay? It'll actually fit in there without touching the side. But as you can see on this used disc, the edges are frayed. Okay? And they bend up whenever I sand it. So if I take it and I run it down through this, it won't dig into this side, and it won't dig into this side. It'll just ride right along there and just kind of buff where they turn up. In this case, that's particularly handy, because if you'll remember, when I glued this together, I had masking tape along here, and between the two pieces of masking tape, there's occasionally a few glue bubbles. I scraped out what I could, and now I just sanded it smooth. Hope that helps.